Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Testing. Testing. Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Testing. Alright, that sounds okay. Alright, so this is what I have right now. Just a very basic, I don't know why that looks like that. Very basic, shitty UI. All it does is it checks your follower list every 3 minutes for new followers. It doesn't really get updated more than 3 minutes, more than every 3 minutes. It has a death counter, which you can go like this. And you can also use hotkeys, which should pop up. F11, Control F11, Alt F11. Bam. And that will deal with this file here. There you go. Boop, boop, boop. As long as you don't press it too fast. Because that'll mess up the things. Alright, what I want to do is I want to add a thing, a box, that I can type in a time in minutes. Should be really easy. This will be really quick. Eventually this will be like have chat functionality and all that nonsense. This is just really easy for now. We're just doing it step by step. Because I'm lazy and a terrible programmer. Why Java? Because I love Java. Anyways. Why Maven? Because Maven's pretty great. Except for dealing with DLLs, I guess. Anyways, what was I doing? I was... Right. GUI, design, let's just... Why is this here? Center. Why don't you center yourself? You were the worst thing ever. Okay, yeah, like that. That's fine. Let's put you in the middle and put you, like, in the... Cancel. Whatever. It's been a while. Alright, death counter, cool. And now we want like a panel here, a label that doesn't need any name because it's not going to be doing anything dynamic because this is just a bare bones non-user friendly UI. What did I call it? It's right here, segment timer. Alright, I need a text box, text field. This will not do any error checking. If you decide to, this is all on GitHub, so if you decide to take this and compile it and put like letters in here, that's your problem. I'm going to say my default is 30, so we will put 30 there. This is going to get changed, so let's call it txt segtime. It doesn't need to be that big, does it? Only people like Neil or only marathon streamers, and they are less interested in segments and more interested in total time. Alright, what do I have to do now? Oh, right, I'm going to change this so it has a etched border. That looks ugly. Let's go like that. That looks ugly. Let's go like this. Does this need to be cleaned up? No, this is mostly fine. It technically doesn't work if you get more than 100 followers in an update cycle, which is a couple of minutes. I could make it work. It's not a lot harder, but I don't want to. And even then, it could still be gamed by clever trolls if they wanted to, but whatever. Anyways, I'm not sure there's a way to print that. This is just here for later. Right now, it just defaults to anomalous 0. There's no way to change it because by the time you could edit this field, it has already started the program using that field. Later, there'll be a button that says like start and stop. Alright, segment timer, 30 minutes. I guess I might need a start button there, won't I? Well, I need a start button? Well, I guess I will need a start button there. Just because, or some kind of reset button? Reset? How about start? Start, what's it gonna do? That's a good question. It's just gonna create a timer that after this many minutes, or whatever, 30 times, 60 times 1,000 milliseconds, is going to do something that tells me that it's ready. And if hitting start resets it. Yeah, start reset. Same thing. Okay. So we got that, we got that, we got that. Let's just move that down because, you know. So where do I put that? I want to put that here. Oh. I want to rename that because JButton1 is confusing. Nope, I don't know what I did there. Code JButton1 BTN seg time. There's only going to be one, so seg time action performed. We want how did I do it here? Timer, F notify, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Let's just fucking cut and paste this because I'm a lazy programmer. Not really, I'm just I don't want that one. Cancel. We will add that. Actually, I think this is bad program design, but I'm not sure. Like, am I supposed to add action listeners here? Like, because I could do that. I could make this public, and then I could, in here, during the initialization of the program, set an action listener here that makes a timer. Maybe I'll do that instead. Because, like, it's really hard to, like, I don't know, not hard, but it seems weird. I don't know. This is, of course, this is just what I learned in the one class about some design principles, so maybe it doesn't, whatever, I don't think it matters. I'm gonna implement all abstract method. Oh, that's probably good. We don't want to do this. In action listener seg notify. Seg notify equals new action listener. Action performed. How do I make a pop-up window? Window Java. It just has to say you should stop a pop-up. Make pop-up, but I don't want a pop-up dialog. I just want one of the crappy windows. Show input dialog. This. Copy. Paste. Well, it's hard. It should be this. Segment. Time over. Consider. Cutting VOD or whatever. J option pane. Seg notify. Integer seg time equals integer dot value of txt this txt segtime dot get text times 60 times 1,000. Segtime seg notify that's not technically what I want. I just want it to run once. What are the constructors for timer? Let's just Google that. Timer Java, this is a regular timer, not a swing timer, or is it a swing timer? It is a swing timer. What are the constructors for swing timer Java? I know what a timer is. I want to know what the constructors for swing timers are. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, there's just the one. Get log times is coalesce is repeats. How do I set repeats? Aha, okay. Okay. Well, then that's what I want to do. Set repeats. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Dot set. Damn it. Set repeats. False. If I start, what's going on here? Incompatible types. Component. What? Cannot be converted to component. Maybe I do want to do this outside so I can just say GUI. This is... Maybe it should say parent? I don't know. That's what it said. It's not public and component. Blah, blah, blah. Maybe I should put it here. This is the reason. This line right here is why you can't change the username. As a timer for checking of new followers. Alright, what if I do here, setup, action, listener, action, event. Event for starting segment timer. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's fine. GUI. Can do that. Alright. This dot, nope, this should be GUI. Then I'm going to have to go to GUI, go to design, click on this, go like this, make it public. No, it doesn't. You should refresh yourself. Oh no, text segment time too. What am I doing? I need to make both of them public. Oops. Oops. And then now it shouldn't. All right. Integer this is all supposed to be in an action listener for so this is all supposed to be in GUI.buttonSegTime.add action listener. What's the syntax for this? New action listener. Boop. What's the syntax for this? No, it's not gonna work. It should be down here. Something like that. fnotify does not exist. Alright. I want to create an action listener. Wait, why am I creating an action listener? Oh, so that my, Wait, isn't it really an action listener? Yeah, I guess it is. Alright. I don't think I'm doing this right. What if I just wanted to go like that? Why is that wrong? Interesting. All right. So inside of here is where I want to do it. Public void, action performed. So that would be if the button is pressed, then we want to do this. Delete these. If the button is pressed, then we want to do this. Oop, that's not right. And maybe no, that's not right. Is it? This is getting confusing. So what did I do? I took everything from here to here, and I want to pop it here. So it's like everything here needs to go 1, 2, 3. Alright, that looks a lot better. Sorry. So I think that'll work. We're setting an action listener for button seg time. What are you yelling about? Okay. Which creates an action, which sets an action listener that creates a pop-up window that adds it to a timer that lasts for however long we specify in millisecond or minutes. In milliseconds. I'm really tired. I shouldn't have done this right now. setting it. Okay, let's just try that. And I don't know how to get the DLL to work with NetBeans, so I just compile it from Maven. C space. No. ls target. Java dash jar target slash. Alright, now if I put this at 1, it should, in a minute, do something. Sad part is that since I can't get it to compile in NetBeans, I can't debug it. Or I don't know how to debug it. For testing purposes, I should change that to just like a second. That's what I'll do. For testing purposes, this will be 1,000. Dun, 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 dun. Close. So the pop-up window looks terrible, but it actually works. Wait, cool. All right, so we have to get the right kind of pop-up window then. Option pane dot. Wait, what was there before? Show input dialog. Does this even have to have anything in it? Because this has just been null, and I could have just used it before in the other thing. Can I do that? I might be able to do that. I'll be sad, and then I'll go back and put it in the button because I feel I like it better. Yeah. Oh, but then it'll show. It won't be centered. Yeah, alright. Whatever. I hate GUIs. Well, I don't hate GUIs. I love GUIs. Alright, so we have to... I don't want to show input dialog. J option pane dot show confirm dialog. That sounds about right. Number choice is turned on by the option types parameter. Frame in which the dialog is played. If no frame, if the frame is used message. Title string of dialog operation. Blah 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 blah. Unint. Okay. So I definitely. What's this? Internal confirmation. With the option yes, no, and cancel. Input dialog shows internal question message dialog. No. No. What's this message dialog? Brings up information to tell the message. I think that's the one I want, right? What is the string here? String. Why aren't you telling me which string it is? Title string for the dialogue. There's nothing called title here. That's awesome. Okay. Displays a message using a default icon determined by I think I want this. GUI. And then this. Or whatever. It could be whatever message I want, but that's what I'm putting there now. So I think this will work. And it might not. Who knows? That's the beauty of whatever I'm doing. wondering if I go... Nice, so it will blink at me. I like that. No, that won't work. Yeah, so don't do that. Okay, so that works. And then we just have to... let's just double check that this works. It's integer.value of whatever's in there times 60 times 1,000. Seems good to me. Control S. And then I will literally just wait here for a minute. Water. I have water. And then if this works, I'm going to go play video games. Because it's, oh jeez, it's 3 a.m. Because it would be 1 times 60 seconds. Right? Yeah, 60,000 milliseconds is 60 seconds is 1 minute. Has it been a minute yet? Did I break it? Oh no. Ah, okay. Perfecto, sorta. Why hasn't this been going? I guess it's only been a minute. This checks every 3 minutes to see if there's any new followers. I think I said that already. But only for this username, which is me. Alright, I am going to switch to probably another 10 or so levels of Explore the Dungeon because I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna put this on a VOD, so see you later. This will be dumped to the internet. The internet. Close, close.